Hey there, welcome back to another video. For today, I'm going to show you how you can use Gigaplex AI to bulk upscale your photos. So, bulk upscaling is quite the easy process if you want to turn lower quality photos into something of a much higher quality. By using these bulk upscale AI programs, you can turn low-res JPEG, PNG, or whatever image files into something of up to 4K resolution. So for today's video, we're going to be using Gigaplex AI. So once you found yourself in the Gigaplex AI website, here you can drag and drop a folder of images or whatever images you can find online in order to start upscaling. Gigaplex AI uses advanced AI algorithms in order to figure out the best way to naturally upscale your images. Do note that after uploading images, it's going to have to download some files and update its system settings in order to continue the upscale process. Now, once you've uploaded all the files you wish to upscale, we want to go on the right-hand side and uncheck AI model. We want to tick standard and also uncheck the settings list like here. Do note that Gigaplex AI uses a subscription basis model, so the files that you're going to save after upscaling will have a watermark, but they will be in the full resolution that you intend to upscale into. So let's save our images by clicking Save Images, and then we want to click Save with Watermark, since we will be using a trial version for the purposes of this tutorial video. When saving your image, I prefer the JPEG file format, and we want to keep the file name auto with the color profile also preserved. Once you click Start, you're going to see a list of all the images you wish to upscale, and as you can see, it's going to take quite the minute. It's going to take quite a bit of time in order to upscale all our images. But here's an example of an image that was original in its file format, and here is the example of the image after upscaling. And as you can see, the difference is subtle but quite intense if you do look at it long enough. So going back to the Gigaplex AI editor, if we choose the lines AI model instead of the standard one, what that will do is it'll make the lines and the edges of your image much sharper. Do note, however, that whenever you choose a different AI model in order to upscale with, the program will definitely have to download some files in order for it to run properly. And honestly, that's really all there is to it. Just download the Gigaplex AI program, install it to your computer, drag and drop files, and then choose an AI model that you wish to use to upscale with. Then save the images, and if you wish to have no watermark on your upscaled images, feel free to buy and support Gigaplex AI's program. And that's really all there is to it, using Gigaplex AI to upscale your images using advanced AI algorithms. Now that's the end of this tutorial video. Leave a like if you feel you've learned something new, and subscribe to the channel in case you want to enjoy more content just like this one. Leave a comment if you have any other questions or inquiries, and we'll see you all in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.